Class Teams, create an assignment. In this video, we show you how to create an assignment in Class Teams. Open up Teams and open the class team where you'd like to create the assignment. In the left navigation menu, you'll see the Assignments section. Once the section has loaded, you can create an assignment by clicking on the Create button in the bottom left. You have several options. If you've already set up assignments, you can create an assignment from an existing assignment. You can create a new quiz in Microsoft Forms, or you can start a new assignment from scratch. We're going to click on New Assignment. In the New Assignment template, enter in a title for your assignment. In the top menu bar, you have some options for how your students will see the assignment. If you would like to add it to their calendar in Teams, you can change the calendar option. Note that if there is more than one teacher in the team, and both teachers would like the assignment to show in their calendar, you should select the third option, Students and Team Owners. If your team has more than one channel, you can select the channel where the assignment notification post will appear. Enter in some instructions for the students in the text field below the title. This field has a basic text editor which allows you to add some rich formatting and also include links and pictures. If you'd like to attach resources to the assignment, you can click on Attach. We have an assignment task sheet for this assignment saved to our device. To attach this, we click on Upload from this device and then navigate to where the file is stored. Select the file and then click on Open. This file is now uploading to the assignment. When you attach a file, the default setting is that the file is read-only for students. Because this file is a task sheet, we're going to keep the default setting. However, we also want the students to complete a reflection. We can attach a document we've already prepared for them to fill in, or we can click on New to create a document directly from within Assignments. In the pop-up, we are required to give the new document a name and then click on Done. To change this document so that students can edit their own copy, click on the drop-down under the attachment name and click on Students Edit Their Own Copy. Teams will now create a copy of that document for each student when they open the assignment. This allows teachers to see the progress of students' work and give feedback and editing suggestions to students prior to them handing in the assignment. Prior to the assignment being assigned, you can go in and edit these attachments or remove them if you've attached them in error. As well as documents and files, you have several other options which you can attach in an assignment. Reading Progress is a special type of assignment used to track students' reading fluency. You can attach files already uploaded to Teams, link to a website or an external resource, attach a file you've saved in your OneDrive, and several other options. Under the New options, you can also record instructions directly into the assignment. Learning accelerators are types of assignments which support students to improve. As well as Reading Progress for fluency, Search Progress supports students to use the web to search for reliable sources of information. When you've finished adding your attachments and resources, you can move to the assignment settings in the right panel. Here you can change the due date and time. We're going to change this to be due at the end of the unit in Term 1 and at the end of the school day. If you don't want the assignment to appear straight away, click on Edit Assignment Timeline to access additional options. Toggle on Schedule Date to schedule the assignment to appear in the future. If you don't want students to be able to hand in the assignment late, toggle on Close Date and adjust it if necessary. Click on Done when you're ready. If you'd like to assign the same assignment to multiple classes, click on the drop-down to select other classes you're an owner of. If you'd like future students to have the assignment assigned, change this setting to all current and future students. You can add a rubric if you'd like to by clicking on Rubric. This allows you to upload a team rubric file, add an existing rubric, or create a new rubric. You can assign points for the assignment and add a tag. When you're ready, click on Schedule. The assignment will now show for you in the upcoming tab of Assignments. To edit the assignment, hover over the assignment tile, click on the three dots in the far right and click on Edit. Note, you will not be able to remove your attachments as the assignment has already been scheduled.